Welcome to Americano. Here we got with a new video, and it's not only the cars. We also work on the bikes too. Depend on what kind of work you're looking for. So that's our one of the regular clients' bike. We already have a couple of exotic cars, but this time we came up with this brand new 2024 Trump. It's a Tiger Sport 660. So it's a three-cylinder engine. So he got a customized exhaust system from the place where he bought the bike. So there was titanium installed on this bike, but it was too loud. Even I drove it, I feel like it's too much. So he just wanted to put the back stock exhaust, which is this one. So we already replaced this and wrap this up the way it comes. So the customer either can return it or they can sell it on the off market anywhere. So if you guys do have any customization on your bike or your cars, on your trucks, we are specialized for that. Like last video, we did the lower skirting kit on 2025 Golf R. So this is the second thing we did in next week. And we are going to do it one of 2025 Toyota Corolla. That customer also bought a lot of stuff for the bumper kit. We are going to put it hopefully soon. But for now, we done this and it's ready for the customer to pick it up. Let's move to the next car. Finally, it's almost wrap it up. So we bring the car inside again and we lift it up. Now front is all wide open. We still waiting for the front rad, fans and etc. work, which was in customer's house because they picked the car like this from other shop when they can't find the fix on this engine. So let me show you. We already wrapped it up the whole engine and it is ready. As you can see, that is the beauty of Americano. When we do any rebuilds, we make sure we paint the block. So you see this all black. It was all with the dirt and rust. We sandblast it and we paint according to the engine paint. And every on this head thing, we make it clean like a brand new thing. So it's all painted and clean from top to bottom. Pistons, head gaskets, crank bearings, cam bearings, everything is new on this engine. Comes with a 1-year warranty or 20,000. Some conditions apply. So it's ready to roll in the car by end of today. And if you guys do have any of the similar cars, comes in a various cars like Tiguan's, Audis, Jettas, Passats. So you name it, we'll do that. Everything is installed by Audi here. So feel free to hit us up for any of the rebuilds on your German cars, BMW, Mercedes. So that's it for now. Move to the next car. So we got this beautiful luxury 2017 Mercedes S550. It comes for a pre-safety and one of the front headlight is not working, which is pretty common on C classes, E classes, S classes, because they are based on the modules. They are mounted right under the headlight, and with the water thing, it got damaged, like corrosion. So that thing, I don't know what's happening with that. We have to remove the bumper and dig the light out to check what's happening with the front light module. And the other thing on this car needs the brakes. So it's not the normal brakes. They are vented 3-piece rotor in the front and the back. They are the regular ones. Other thing, this car came up like this, so the rear airbags are not filling the air properly. I have no clue what's happening with it, but they're pretty common with a compressor, air compressor on the back, or level sensor. Because the customer said it was working really fine and it stopped working this morning, so we have to check why it's not working. See, this side is perfectly fine, but when we check the back, it's sitting like that, no matter you start it up or turn it off. Other thing, the compressor hold the air. So this was parked from yesterday here. Air, it didn't drop. So the airbags, they hold the air. Even the back ones, 99% is a level sensor. So let's hope for what's going to happen to this car. And there's a couple other lights on this car. It needs a serious attention because the fluids on this car didn't change. The mileage right now is 160. So that's what we're going to do. The pre-safety, fix the light and the airbag on the back. So if you guys have any of the S classes, new ones, old ones, feel free to give us a call. We can fix that. Let's move to the next car. Guys, so we got this beast in the house. It's 2019 Range Rover Sports. It's 5-liter supercharged. So one of the beast machine in Land Rover. So it come up for regular maintenance for oil change. And when we take a test drive, we find out the front both CV axles, they make a tickling noise when we drive. And when we lift it up for the services, we see like the front left side boot was badly weared out and all the grease was out from the inner input shaft on the left side. And then also we inspect the front complete suspension. What we saw was it's 106 Ks on the truck right now, and it needs the front control arms, forward ones, and right side link, because this car mostly stays in downtown, and the roads in downtown London are crazy. So this side link, 2 of the control arms, and 2 of the CV axles on this car. So we got half of the parts. Half of the parts are still waiting till Tuesday because Land Rover don't have it in the stock. So they're going to overnight ship it by Tuesday morning. And the car going to be ready by end of Tuesday. Will be ready for our customer. That's one of the best elite client with this car. This customer have a lot of other cars too. All are exotics. Mostly this guy have a Mercedes fleet. So he owns a CLS, E-Class, all black like this. So if you guys do have any of the exotic cars and you want to fix it from us, hit us. Thank you so much. Alrighty, so finally the 2-liter TFSI is in the car, and you can see here it's rebuilt from top to bottom, and we are going to wrap it up the front bumper here. So with the fan and the lights and the rad on it. So it's going to be ready probably by end of the tomorrow. It's going to be roll out. So if you guys do have any of the Audi's TFSIs or Tiguan's with a 2-liter VW engine, we do the rebuild. No problem. Hit us up and we'll help you out with that. Let's move to the next car. So let's wrapping this vlog. It's the last one. 2019 Range Rover. I show in the beginning of this vlog. So when we check it out, both of the drive axle need to replace. We already ordered it. We got it one of the side, other one coming tomorrow. So we take apart the other side. So the shaft is out on the other side. This one is still pending because we are kindly insane busy. So that's gonna be done tomorrow. We almost got every part except this side of shaft. So what exactly we're doing on this car is the links and the control arm on this car and both of the drive shafts. So all the parts are here. Just this drive shaft left is gonna come tomorrow by morning. So if you guys do have any of the Land Rovers, we can fix it. Just hit us up. We do all make and models. And let's move to the next car. This thing going inside the shop tomorrow, and we're going to dig it up why this thing is knocking. This SUV is a pure emotion between son and father, and the son want to fix it ASAP because the father is getting old. So we want the father to drive it ASAP, and we're going to park it inside and check it out why it's knocking from the top. For more content like this, please hit a subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos about us. Thank you so much.